Hey there! Today we're diving into a common problem that many Rust developers encounter. Picture this. You've written some code that involves matching on a generic result and mut_t inside a const fn. However, when you try to compile, the compiler throws an error because it needs to drop the value at the end of the scope within the const fn, which it can't do. Frustrating, right? Now, onto the solution. By using the hashtag feature const_precise_live_drops feature in Rust, you can enable more precise drop analysis in const contexts. This feature allows the compiler to handle cases like the one we discussed earlier, where destructors need to be evaluated at compile time. With this feature activated, your code will compile successfully even within a const fn environment. It's a step forward in improving the const evaluation in Rust, although it may not be fully stabilized yet. In summary, we explored a common problem faced by Rust developers when trying to match on a generic result type inside a const fn. The issue arises due to the inability to run destructors within a const context. However, with the hashtag feature const_precise_live_drops feature, you can overcome this hurdle and compile your code successfully. Keep coding, keep learning, and until next time, remember to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts. Happy coding!